My name it is Johanny Bicani,
No,
and
así.
I am from Massachusetts, of the United States. I wanted to take this class because I know how important the mudras are, and I really wanted to learn it. I have a meditation studio in my house, and I wanted to teach this amazing thing to my students. So I am going to take your class 101 so I can teach to others. So now I know don't teach until I take your class, so I will. So thank you so much. But I want to thank you because I am from US, and in US nobody does anything for free. Nobody. Here time is money. And you have given us 6 days of your life, and I know you make good money, so that means that you gave us valuable information. So thank you so much. Because again, coming from US, this is something that nobody does. Especially here in US, I want to bring you here to US. After this war is over, I want to bring you for a course because I know that my students will love to have you. And in US, people are obsessed with anything India, the music, the culture, and now in the US is how beautiful that people are understanding that the meditation and doing self healing is more important than medicine and anything else. So it's a boom right now here in the US with yoga and everything. And also, people are understanding the yoga is not what they teach here. Yoga here is bending yourself like everyone else, but yoga is breathing. So thank you so much. And I am again very grateful and thank you for your time.
जय गुरुदेव जय गुरुदेव